Copenhagen is a play by Michael Frayn, and it's based on real events. It's set in 1941 at the height of the Second World War, and it's about a meeting between two great physicists, Werner Heisenberg and Niels Bohr, who meet in Copenhagen, and what they discuss could potentially change the course of history.
Much worse fear about what I have to say, about how to express it, how to broach it in the first place.
Why did you come?
Why did I come?
Tell us once again. Another draft of the paper, and this time we shall get it right.
The nature of the debate in Copenhagen is partly scientific. It's looking at the morals of the use of an atomic weapon, but it's also a play about human beings. It's a historical drama, but it's also a thriller. It explores the uncertainty of human behaviour, how what we try and say to one another, how we try to communicate, may not always be perceived by the listener, by the watcher, and how those moments of uncertainty can lead to misunderstandings, and in this case, with profound consequences.